Hey everyone, my name is Pritam and you're watching Tech with Pri. Welcome to my channel and I'm back with a new exciting technical series. And this is the series for which you are waiting for so long. I have received so many comments from all of you like when the ServiceNow development series will come, when the developer videos are coming. So finally this is here guys. So today we are starting the ServiceNow developer series and we are going to cover a lot of exciting videos and definitely there would be so many things for the members and of course some new playlists are coming regarding this ServiceNow development. So you're gonna love and enjoy it, trust me. So make sure you watch the full video to get all the details of this ServiceNow developer series. We are going to discuss what are the things we are going to learn, each and every topics, what are the new playlists, and definitely what would be the member benefits, like I said. Okay, but before that, I want to thank all of my subscribers and the members for supporting me. So we are now 4,000 plus subscribers and near about 100 members. So I'm really happy and excited to give you more content, whatever I learned. And like I said, like learning and sharing. Definitely, I will try to share more things about ServiceNow and many more new things are coming in future. So the ServiceNow CS examination series is really helping a lot of people. Again, it's a great achievement for me. Whenever I see people commenting that they cleared their exam by watching my videos, the question that helps them, there are already more than 105 questions in the channel and there are more going to come. So I'm really, really happy for them. I'm glad that my channel membership is helping them to clear their exam, right? And also there will be part 9 of the CS exam series, which is coming very soon. Now, CS exam series is done, and also the ServiceNow administrator series is done, where we have cleared all the topics related to ServiceNow system administrator, that is the CS examination topics, and we have cleared it out. Also, we have the virtual agent series, and really virtual agent series is I'm getting a lot of feedback from that. It's really good, and people are loving it. And there will be a new update on virtual agent series also, guys. So make sure again to watch the full video. Okay, so the last series that I've worked on, which is the ServiceNow and JavaScript, where we cleared the fundamentals of JavaScript, all the concepts like starting from basic operators, variables, and to up to like array, class, objects, and those concepts are very, very important. Again, I'm telling. So the series ServiceNow and JavaScript, especially who wants to become a ServiceNow developer but don't have any experience in programming or JavaScript especially, then you can go and watch the series. That would help you a lot to understand ServiceNow development. Understand that if you don't have any idea about programming like JavaScript or any other programming language, then the development would become very, very difficult. So the ServiceNow development that we will do, that would be mostly in JavaScript. Okay. In future, when we would do some separate things, we need to learn some Angular and different stuff that we would discuss later. But for the time being, JavaScript is very, very important. So that's the reason I have completed that series and now I'm doing the ServiceNow development series. All right. All I want is that whoever is coming to visit my channel, I want them, they should get all the relative things regarding ServiceNow from my channel. Like I said, the administrator videos are already there, examination CSA it's already there, and JavaScript video is also there, right? And there would be ServiceNow development video. So just to tell you again that in the ServiceNow development series, I'm not going to discuss about any basic idea of things like what is ServiceNow, how ServiceNow works, or like a very simple idea of business rule, client script, UI policy, because flow designer, because all of these things I have already explained and with example, not only explained, but with example. I've already done that in my ServiceNow system administrator playlist. So that playlist is already available. So you can watch and clear your concept if you want to do that. Here we would do scripting, more advanced stuff, and we will learn more, vast, more complex things about ServiceNow. So I'm not going to waste any more time. So I'll directly jump into my laptop and I'll show you what are the things that we are going to learn and I'll come back to you. All right, so I'm in my laptop screen and now we are going to see what are the things we are going to cover for this exciting series that is the ServiceNow developer, right? So yes, this is the thing that we are looking for, which is the certified application developer, which is known as CAD. So this is the, another certification, another very popular certification. If you are in ServiceNow field, you already know about it, that CAD certification is so important because this certification, you'd be a ServiceNow certified application developer. Right? Previously, I have created the playlist for the CSA already. You know that. That is the ServiceNow System Administrator and also the exam questions, all I have discussed, right? Here also in this series, we are going to cover all the things that is required for the this CAD examination, and also some more important things that I'm gonna do videos on. Okay, and after that, definitely I will create a exam question set again. Will contain a lot of questions that would be very very helpful and important for the CAD examination. Right, right. So again, I'm telling this is gonna be very very interesting, guys. This series. So let's see what are the things we are going to learn specifically. Okay, so we would start by exploring these different ServiceNow APIs. So I'll tell you a little bit about what is API, just the understanding, and then I will jump into the what are the server-side API and client-side API that ServiceNow is giving us. And all those APIs are nothing but the class and methods. So again, you can understand that how important the JavaScript series was. Again, I'm telling, if you want to start this development series, you have to have a knowledge on JavaScript. Okay, so next we will jump into the glide record, one of the server-side API. We would see what are the different methods that we can use, what we can achieve, right? In detail, I'll show you by doing the scripting. Same I'll do for the glide system, glide form, glide user. So glide form and glide user will be from the client side API. So a lot more discussion will be there in each and individual video that I'm going to do. Okay, after that, we will do the client script. Now here, let me tell you, client script video is already there in my channel to clear the basic understanding, and I also done few, few use case simple. I have given the example, and that was required for the CSA examination. But here we have to do some complex issues, so we will work on use cases. So three use cases I will show you in the video, and definitely if you want to access more use case, if you want to practice more, then again that would be available for the member. Okay, again I'll tell you at the end of the video that what are the benefits that members are going to get. Okay, so after that we will discuss about the UI policy. Again, we would mainly focus on the use cases and how by writing scripting we can solve those use cases, right? And definitely after that, UI action, very very important. I'll show you both client and server end how it works, because UI actions work in both the end, like client and server, right? Four use cases again. For the business rules, one of the most important thing in ServiceNow development is the business rule. So when you will become a developer, you would understand many times in work you have to deal with business rules, right? So again, four use cases. Script include, another important thing for server side. Again, I will show you three use cases. After that, I'll show you the glide Ajax and the script include. So how it is connected, how you can access server side data from the client side. And so that would be very, very important. I'll show you that using two use cases. All right. After that, we would do the event and notifications. So this is very, very important one, guys. And again, this is very, very common that you're going to use a lot. So we would cover it up maybe in two videos, because after that we are going to learn notification email script. So I'll try to make it two videos for this two topics on event and notifications. Okay, so that would be very very interesting. Okay, after that, another interesting thing that I'm going to do is this service catalog scripting. So in service catalog, while creating the catalog item already, which I have done in my ServiceNow system administrator playlist. So there I've shown you that how you can create catalog item, but I've not shown you how complex it can be or how you can solve different things with scripting. So we will build a complete catalog item from scratch. That would be a very very interesting one. Previously I've shown you the iPhone catalog item or Samsung phone, how you can order a phone, right? Something like that. And again, I've shown you in Flow Designer how you can control the approval and all those things. So again, we will do Flow Designer this time, but we will do some complex work and with the scripting. Okay, so don't worry, each and everything I will explain you. And again, I'm telling, just make sure you watch and follow the series step by step videos. That's how I'm going to proceed. And also, JavaScript series is very, very important. All right. Next, we would see the import set. Again, import set I have discussed already in my system administrator video, but here we will discuss more important things like the transform script. We will use it and I will show you different use cases so that you can understand why, how important it is, right? Then very importantly, we will do debugging. So debug is so important thing, guys. So whenever you are a developer, have to know, you need to know how you can debug stuff. So we will discuss about that, how we can debug business rule, client scripts, all those things, right? And then we would do the introduction to ATF. That's the testing one, and that's the very, very important one that's included in the ServiceNow developer exam for the CAD exam. Okay. Now, very importantly, what are the playlist? What are the new playlist I'm going to do with this? I mean, this is the ServiceNow developer playlist will be there. and here will all the things will there, right? And all the videos will be very, very important for the CAD. And now also I'll make different playlist for very important topic in ServiceNow, which is again relevant for the CAD exam. Okay, those topic are included, but I want to make it in a separate playlist so that you can understand it better. And each topics are very, very important. So here we go. First of all, now this is for the virtual agent people. ServiceNow virtual agent part 2 is gonna come very, very soon. Okay, because of the part 1 popularity and so many people love it. This time we will do some complex task with the virtual agent, with scripting and so many other things. So get ready, developers. Next, we will understand about the application engine studio, which is the AES. Again, another very, very powerful thing in the ServiceNow and also included in the CAD examination. So we would discuss in different videos how you can use this AES. Then we will complete the integration, again one of the hot topic in the market. If you are going for ServiceNow development interview, you need to know about this integration concept. So we would clear out the integration concept, REST integration, and also integration hub in a playlist. Then UI builder, again very, very important UI builder to do some workflow stuff. We would discuss on that. I will make different videos for that. And finally, service portal. And here we would deal with widgets and how you can use Angular, little bit of understanding on that. So that would be very, very interesting. So I hope now you are excited. Now, for more excitement, definitely the member benefits it's going to come. So all the members of the channel, they will get the additional use cases video. I will upload it for the members on client script, business rule script include. So already I will do use case in the ServiceNow developer series, but there will be more use cases here. Next, additional catalog item creation and flow designer videos. So I'll create a brand new catalog item for the members and we will deal with it. So it's all about the more use case you will deal, the more practice you will do, more confident you will become as a developer. Okay. Next, discuss with practical use cases in ServiceNow development. So I'll tell you my own experience as a developer working in a company, what kind of challenges that I get, what kind of module that I work, okay, in ServiceNow, that all I will give you some idea. And finally, access to the additional exam preparation video for CAD. So like I said, I will create videos for CAD examination like I did for CSA. And here definitely some benefits will get for the members. I mean, more access on the questions, definitely they will get it. Right now they have in CSA also, and many more things. So now already if you are a member of my channel, then no worries, you will get all these things and all these benefits. As of now, you're already getting the CSA questions, right? And definitely the JavaScript practice video where I'm solving different issues with the help of scripting. And now here you will get all these benefits as a member. Okay, and if you are new in this channel and not a member, so how you to become a member? So simply go to my channel and just click on this join button, and that's it. And there is a very minimum subscription charge. I mean, it's very, very affordable for everyone. Okay, so that would be all in my laptop. So now I'll go back to the camera. Bye bye. All right, so I'm back and I hope you are excited like I am, and all those things we are going to cover, and I will try to post as many as video as possible. Okay, I'll at least try to post a weekly 2 or 3 videos, right? And sometimes I am unable to do that because of my office work and other stuff. But yeah, I would try my best to do that because there are a lot of things we are going to cover. And again, anytime if you have any confusion, you can ask in the comment section. Also, I think you're clear about the membership also. So you can join the membership with a very minimum price again. Okay, so we'll see you in the next video on ServiceNow development. Bye bye, take care.